We'd never done a project like this before. We've had small amounts of interior work done and carpentry and decorating and things, but we've never done a real build. Mm. So very new to the project. We started with a design and build company who did the design for us, and then they sort of offered to quote obviously for the build as well, but we hadn't. I guess the experience with them hadn't gone quite as we'd hoped, and so they did give us sort of a tender pack that allows us to go out. So it was a bit daunting. They recommended mybuilder.net and to go and find builders who might be interested in the project, and it was true. We were flooded with people who were keen to do it. I think as it turned out, as people learned a little more about the project and the complexity of it, while not being sort of a straightforward Victorian garden extension or loft extension, some of them maybe sort of balked at that and then didn't sort of follow up. So yeah, it was a little nerve-wracking that we were going to find someone we felt we could trust, and also who was going to be able to do it for a price that we could afford. So yeah, I mean, I think we got lucky in the end, but it was a little nerve-wracking at the beginning.